Hi there and welcome back to the channel. Today just a quick video I wanted to share with you on how you can finish off your still life images in Nik Collection in Viveza. So this is a pretty little scene that I had. I had this yellow chair, it was in a field of lavender, and I had this pretty lace dress and little gold crown, just a little sort of flower headpiece, so it could be sort of like a little flower girl or something like that. It's a bit dark, so I'm just going to start by just hitting auto just to brighten it up. Now I do have a car in the background, so I'm just going to do a quick tidy and go and remove that. And I've got something else up there that's a bit distracting too, so I'm just going to get rid of that. And from here, if I right click, I can go to edit in, and I'm looking for Nik Viveza. And I'm going to edit with Lightroom adjustments because I did some adjustments in Lightroom. So there's a whole heap of different presets and things that you can use in here for color balance, color toning, luminosity, things like that. What I do want to do is I just want to come down and I just want to hit this warm it up. So I'm just going to click on that. That's before and that's after, so it gives that beautiful golden light glow. Now I want to just brighten up a couple of areas, so I'm just going to go down to my local adjustments and I'm going to pop one in here, brighten that up a little bit, and I'm going to put another one here. And maybe just spin that round a little bit. So just bring my brightness up just a little more. There's still just a little bit of shadow in there, so I'm just gonna put in another control point, because sometimes it's just easier to have a few more. So that's brought the shadow up there. Now here it's just a little bit too bright. So one more in here, and I'm just going to bring the brightness down just a touch. So that's pretty much about it. So you can see that I've got 5 control points, so I've stacked them all up. Of course I can come in and I can bring the brightness down on that completely. I can boost the saturation, I can bring the shadows up a little bit. I don't think I need to boost the warmth anymore, I've already done that. So this is where we were and this is where we are now. So it's quite simple to give your images just that little pop by jumping into Nik Collection 8 Viveza. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time on YouTube. Bye!